Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is Chavi Sompura with an update on Indian weather. Snowfall likely in Himalayan regions. Dense fog to grip Punjab, Haryana this week. The India Meteorological Department has warned that a western disturbance may affect the western Himalayan region from December 7th and the nearby plains of northwest India from December 8th. These conditions are expected to result in moderate spells and snowfall in the western Himalayan region between December 7th and 9th. The plains of northwest India are predicted to experience similar weather patterns on December 8th. The Met Department has alerted that it is anticipated to have dense fog conditions in isolated places of Haryana, Punjab and Chandigarh during the night and early morning hours from December 7th to 9th. As per the Weather Department notifications, the sky is likely to remain clear, with northwest winds will flow at less than 10 km per hour during the morning time. Smog and mist are expected to be present during morning and evening hours. The financial capital of India recorded the hottest December in the last 16 years, as the maximum temperatures went up to 37.3 degrees Celsius at the Santa Cruz Observatory. Colaba measured to be a little over by 35 degrees Celsius. Himachal Pradesh is forecasted to have a warmer winter this season, after experiencing the driest November in the last 100 years. The cold wave days are anticipated to decline by 10 to 20% from December to February. The nighttime temperature in Kashmir went down on Wednesday, as the minimum temperature at several places were recorded to be below freezing point. The IMD department has predicted that the weather may continue to be dry from December 5th to December 7th. A further fall in the night temperatures might occur during night time, whereas during daytime temperatures are likely to be warmer. Bengaluru has a modest total of 15.7 mm of rainfall in December. The city has gone past and far exceeded this figure in the early days of December. More showers are in the offing and the city and suburbs will have short spells of drizzle for the next 4 days between 4th December and 8th December. A short break and the showers may resume again around midweek next, courtesy remnants of cyclone Fangal. The low pressure area moved across the peninsular India to enter the Arabian Sea. The low pressure area still lies above the east central Arabian Sea and the proximity of the coastline of Karnataka. The system will move further westwards but slowly. Also, there is cyclonic circulation moving east to west in the equatorial region over farther plains of South Bay of Bengal. These two features together are keeping the northeasterly stream intact over the peninsula and coastal side on either sides. A few stations in the region like Karwar, Mangalore, Bengaluru, Kannur and Ooty have received moderate showers. Light rainfall has occurred at many places in the region. The capital city of Bengaluru has recorded 80 mm of rainfall in the past 3 days. It has surpassed the monthly average of 15.7 mm. During the last month, the rainfall was a deficit and the city observatory recorded 21.4 mm against the monthly normal of 48.1 mm. The recent wet spell has compensated and recovered the shortfall. November and December together have registered a rainfall of 105.4 mm against the normal of 64.6 mm. And these are just the initial days of December, with a lot in store during the rest of the month. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.